Hello people, welcome once again in Programmatic YouTube channel. So you guys have seen in my previous video that I have showed you line spacing, line breaking. So in this video I am going to discuss about ordered list and unordered list. So what are ordered list? Ordered list are that where we get where we input a list and it comes to an order. That means normally it comes by something about number. That means it is already numbered. An unordered list means there is no number. They are just some kind of bullet in front of your information. So let's get started. So here in the body I am taking name of 3 continents. So here I am just taking one heading H1 and I am writing 3, just writing here 3 continents. So these will make you the heading H1. I have completed this, and then we will start unordered list. First we will start unordered list. So for unordered list you just have to use this UL tag. So after that UL tag, this UL tag has started. UL tag, you have to close this UL tag. So closing UL tag, I have closed this. Within that, whatever you want to write in the list, you just have to write all that list in this li tag. So here in li tag I am just writing 3 continents, just like I am writing Asia, and I just have to close this li. Once again, if you want to input any other data, then you must have to write this li tag once again. So here I am pasting this. Here I am typing here Europe, and once more I am pasting this. Now 3 continents, as I have named these 3 continents, so I am writing here 3 continents, just like here I am writing Africa. So I have written here unordered list. So first go to file and simply save as of your name, just writing I am naming as this as ULOL, unordered list and ordered list .html. Whatever name you want to keep, that you can keep as of your wish, but you have to write that. I have said in my previous video, you have to write all that. After writing the name, then you have to write extension, given extension .html. So I am saving this .html, and let's go and run this. Double click on this. So here you guys can see 3 continents. Some kind of bullet have come in front of your data, Asia, Europe and Africa. Let's make this an ordered list. So first of all you need to open this. Open with go to notepad. Whenever you go in notepad, then you can see your program, and then whenever you want an ordered list, so you just have to write all these stuffs. So I am going to copy, and here I am pasting this. Within this UL you just simply write OL. That means ordered list. And whatever details you want to enter, you just have to write this li tag and then enter the data and close this li tag. So these are the list for li. These are the list. UL means unordered list, OL means ordered list. So I am going to save this and I am going to run this. So here just double click on this. So here you guys can see the difference. In unordered list there are 3 bullets, and ordered list it automatically comes 3 numbers, number 1, number 2, number 3. So by using that, you guys can easily numberize or easily make some bullets, or to understand the next programmer or the next user who is using this web page. So hope you guys will like this video. If you do like, please subscribe my channel for getting more updates, and if you have any queries related to technology and programming, then please comment down in the comment section, and I have made my Facebook page, so you guys can post your question there. I will also solve it within half an hour. Till then, goodbye. I will meet in my next video.